Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an account on Remitly. First thing we have to do is open up the Remitly app, and this is how it opens up. Now we just tap on English to select the language from this list. We can leave it on English for now, then we tap on continue, and here we just tap on either create a new profile or I already have a profile. In our case we have to create a new profile. Then we select our country of origin, and here we have to select from where we want to send money, and then select the country to where we want to send. Then we tap on next, and now we just type in our email address, our password, or we just tap on continue with Google to continue with the apps, the accounts that we have logged into so far. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.